All right, so the question today is going to be writing the equation of a line that's parallel or perpendicular to a given line that also passes through a specific point. All right, this will show up later on in geometry when you're finding like perpendicular bisectors or uh, incenters, that kind of stuff. Stuff to do with triangles. All right, so depending on the context, you might want to write your answer in slope-intercept form or point-slope form, and I'll go through both ways. All right. So what line is parallel to this one? So since it's parallel, all right, it's going to have to be the same slope. So I already know my m. My m is definitely going to be -4 because it's got to be parallel to this one, and it's going to pass through 2, 4. Okay. So if I were to set this up using slope-intercept form, I could take I don't know why I wrote a 4 there. I meant to put a y. I can take the 4 and put it in here for y, and the 2 put it in for x, and I already know my slope is -4. So I would do something like 4 equals -4 parentheses, and then I'm going to plug in 2 for the x, and then this will allow me to solve for my b. Okay, 4 is equal to -8 plus b, and then you add 8 to both sides, so 12 is equal to b. All right, and then you could actually complete the equation. It would be y equals mx. Well, my m was -4, -4x plus 12. That would be my answer. All right, and you could verify this. If you plug in 2 for the x, you should get a 4 back for y. -4 times 2 is -8. -8 plus 12 gives you 4. Okay. Now, if you want to do this in point slope form, it's a little simpler. It's just plug and chug. All right, it would be y minus 4, because that's our y naught. And then m is still going to be -4. And then it would be x minus 2. And that would be our answer. All right, so this is our answer in point slope form. If we wanted to get our answer in slope intercept, we could just convert this. So this might be your answer. It might already be done, but if you don't like doing all this stuff over here to get slope intercept form, we'll just convert our answer to slope intercept form here. It would be distribute the -4, you get -4x plus 8, -4 times -2. And then you would add 4 to both sides, so you get y equals -4x plus 12. And so it matches our answer that we had earlier. All right, there's our answer in point slope. There's our answer in slope intercept form. Let's do one more. All right, what line is perpendicular to this one and passes through the point 6, -8? Okay, so the fact that it's perpendicular to this line, we just need to do the negative reciprocal of this, right? The negative reciprocal of -3, and that's going to tell us what our slope is. So the negative reciprocal of -3 is going to tell us what our slope is, and that's going to be positive 1/3. All right, you have to change the sign and flip the fraction. So if we want to write our answer in, let's do it in point slope form first. Y minus y naught equals m x minus x naught. Okay, it'd be y minus -8, so that's going to become y plus 8 equals m, which is 1/3, and then it's going to be x minus 6. Okay, that would be our answer in point slope form. For slope intercept form, let me start off with the old y equals mx plus b, and then we'll plug in these values. We would do -8 for the y, 6 for the x, and then we would do 1/3 for the m. All right, so negative 8 for the y. M is 1/3. And then our x is a 6. And this is going to allow us to solve for b. Negative 8 is equal to 1/3 times 6, which is 2. And then you just minus 2 from both sides to move that over. So you get negative 10 is your y-intercept. Right, put it all together, you're going to get y equals 1/3 x minus 10. All right, so this line, it's perpendicular to that one because the slopes are negative reciprocals, and it also passes through this 6 comma negative 8.